Next, in our series of model data in Power BI, we'll be seeing how to work with tables and how to configure data model and build relationship between tables. Okay.
So to configure data model and build relationship between the tables, okay, you can go to the model table, okay, and click on manage relationship. Okay, once you click that, it's a blank canvas, you don't have anything. So first we will see the auto detect method. Okay, so click on auto detect, and what it will do, Power BI will automatically try to link all those related primary keys and foreign keys in each of the table. Okay, you click the auto detect and your relationship is established. You say this product subcategories is linked with product categories, product subcategory. Again, it is with the subcategory. There are various categories, tables and subcategory tables are there. Return table, return data, good cycle returns is tracked by return table. So here in return table also we have product key and product master table has a product key. So there's a relationship is established automatically. In sales also we have customer key, okay, and customer key in the master table, so it is also established. Similarly, sales product key and product master key is also established. You can click close and automatically the link is established. Okay, so that's one way. If you hover your mouse onto the relationship line, you get to see which table is linked with which table based on which key, primary key. Here in this scenario, you see product subcategory key is linked with the product subcategory in the master file. Here, if you hover and see sales, your product key is linked with your sales transaction product key, right? So that's how it is automatically detecting. It is fairly simple.
Next in line, in design a data model in Power BI and working with tables, we'll see how to create a new relationship manually. Okay, so let's get started.
How we can link our customer master table with the sales transaction. Okay, so just look out for in customer table, look out for the primary key, which is the customer key. We can call it customer key, we can call it customer ID, we can call it customer code. That depends on the terminology what we follow. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, customer key, click on that customer key and you can see the same customer key available in the sales table as well. Okay, so you can click and drag the customer key in the customer table. Okay, and just place that, drag and drop that customer key from the customer table into the sales customer key over the sales customer key. Okay, you see it, the relationship is readily established. Okay, that's how simple it is. It's very simple. You can, if you want to see how it is established, you can double click on that particular relationship line and you can check out how the relationship is established. Okay, you see here the sales table is shown upper side and customer is shown downside. What is the commonality between those two tables, the transaction and the master table? Okay, transaction in the dimension table, it's the customer key over here and the customer key. So both these tables fields are linked together based on their data type and the customer column ID. All right, that has to be very similar. Okay, automatically it detects the customer code in both the tables and it links it.